Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Insta360 mic wind muff that I just ordered for my Insta360 Go3S, which is this camera right here. The wind muff is for this. I live in a coastal area and it is very windy, and I have used this in the wind, and the wind does bother the audio. So if you see this little hole right there under the lens, that's a microphone. So what you want to do is you want a wind muff protecting that so you can get better audio out of this little camera. So what you're going to get 4 of these wind muffs. Get a little paperwork, and there enclosed on the inside are your 4 attachable wind muffs. These are stick-ons. You can see the plastic on the back, so just peel that off and stick it on. And that's all there is to it. So this should give you much better audio in windy conditions. Hey, if you're looking at this wind muff for the Insta360, I hope you found this video helpful.